Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to revert a database to the previously taken snapshot. So simply, we will see how to restore a database from the snapshot. So use master, then here we are running the statement restore database pubs. So this is our database name. It tells what database we want to restore. So we want to restore the pubs database because we previously taken a snapshot for this pubs database. From database snapshot, so that's the keyword, restore database name from database snapshot equal to, here we have to give the name given for the snapshot during the snapshot creation time. So once you give this name, it knows which physical file to refer. So it goes to C temp1, and this snapshot name also holds the snapshot file name. So from there it will restore the database. Right, we already saw that this is the folder in which the data file is saved, that we specified we specify the snapshot name at DB level, and SQL Server knows where to go and refer the the SNP file. So it refers the SNP file, and in one of our video we already saw how the page file will get moved from the source database to this SNP file. Whenever modification takes place, the original data is preserved to this snapshot file name. Now let's go to the demo. Before restoring the database, we will make some adjustment here. This is the content of our jobs table. There are totally 14 jobs, and if you see, we are updating the job. When I select it, job description is having a job, right? So when such an update takes place, since we already have the snapshot, the original data will get moved to this snapshot. So this snapshot will hold all the original records. So in sales table, we will also delete some data. So this is the sales content, and we will pick 7131 and we will delete that. Now if you see, the table does not contain store ID 7131. That means the sales made by 7131 was deleted, but those deleted information will move to the snapshot, right? So original page file will move to snapshot, and that original page file will contain records for 7131. So these are all the two changes. One, we updated in sales table, we deleted the data. So since it's a simple example, we just did two transactions. In real world, after taking the snapshot, the database change may go through the client application as well. The client application periodically access the database and make changes. Now we will restore the database. So here is the statement for restoring the database. Use master, restore database pubs, and from database snapshot pubs snap1. From here we are restoring the database. Now we will execute this specific statement. So if you see, commands completed successfully, that means database is restored from this specific snapshot. Now we will check the data. We will say use pubs, Select star from jobs. If you see, job descriptions are restored. Select star from sales, and we can see 7131 is restored. That means the original data moved from this snapshot to the pubs database when we called for restore database option. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.